Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best free live TV apps for Firestick. Alright, let's begin. Coming in at number 5, we have Pluto TV. This app offers a wide range of live channels and on-demand content. You can stream movies, shows, news, and sports, all for free legally. At number 4, we have Tubi. Tubi gives access to thousands of movies and TV shows without any subscription. The app is easy to navigate and works smoothly on Firestick devices. Next, at number 3, we have Freevee. This app provides free live TV along with an extensive on-demand library. It's a great option for those who want both live channels and movies. Coming in at number 2, the Roku channel. Even if you don't have a Roku device, this app lets you watch free live channels and a variety of shows. It's perfect for casual viewers who want simple access to content. And finally, at number 1, Plex. Plex is not just a media server, but also offers free live TV channels. You can stream news, entertainment, and more without paying anything. So that's basically the 5 best free live TV apps for Firestick. And that's it for this video. Thanks.